I'm keeping it my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy, and the Chevy Ride 254. You tune in for another one. As you can see, we're in the garage. I'm testing out this handycam again. It did so well inside, I just had to bring it to the garage and had to just set it up. Nothing major. Boom, set it over there, put it on tripod, make sure that I was in the frame, which I can see because the screen flips over. Once again, audio is gonna be a big I don't know. We got a light right here. Even if we just use the garage light, you can still see, but we got the LED light that's lighting everything up. And that's real low light. Like that right there, that is low light. Like you can barely see anything with that light. But boom. Shop light, LED. Now you can see me clear and day. I'm mighty impressed, man. I am mighty impressed. The audio is not gonna be like microphone lavalier mic joint, but you can hear me and you can see me, and it's not the clunking sound. And this might be just another way that I'm able to bring the video to y'all. Like I switch it up. Like you don't never know what I'm gonna shoot on next. Is he gonna shoot on the handycam? Is he gonna shoot on the DSLR? If he gonna shoot, like you never know. So, yeah, man, I'm really impressed. I kind of got my bike right here in the way. But yeah, man, to the next one.